Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Braceville to Sonneman to near Lexington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Another nearly stationary severe thunderstorm was located near St. Anne and Hopkins Park. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chatsworth and Cullum around 9:25 p.m. Limestone and Piper City around 9:35 p.m. Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, and Gibson City around 9:45 p.m. Gilman, Onarga, Ashcombe, and Aroma Park around 9:50 p.m. Moments and St. Anne around 10 p.m. Hopkins Park around 10:05 p.m. Watseka, Paxton, and Buckley around 10:10 p.m. Milford around 10:15 p.m. Including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 318. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Blowing dust and near zero visibility is expected out ahead of the heavy rainfall. This is no